welcome back. Your dreams will.
Hey everyone, Kilobyte here. How's it going?
Welcome back.
I just wanted to make a little car repair video for you guys. As you can see here, my tag has horribly peeling clear coat on the roof. It's supposed to look like this, or more like this, but here on the roof you can see that clear and glossy finish is leaving the bare paint behind here, and I really want to fix that, so I'm gonna give it my best shot. It's gotten to the point where I can just scratch this stuff off with my fingernail now, so definitely needs to be repaired. Can just do that all day. I'm gonna show you a little test that I did, because I didn't want to jump into this willy-nilly. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this, but I do have this Dupli color perfect match. This is actually for a Ford, but it matches this fairly well. And then this is the stuff that I bought to actually repaint the clear coat. It's just acrylic enamel by Rust-Oleum. I got it at Advanced Auto Parts for 10 bucks. That's what the lady there recommended. And I did a little test here on the inside of my fuel door. I think that came out looking fairly nice here. So, first step's going to be is trying to tediously peel off all this old clear coat without damaging the undercoat, because that is something that I would like to try to just keep like that. So then I can just then I can just spray new clear coat on there. So I'm gonna get started on that. Alright, so what I think the best course of action for me is, since it's already peeling in all these locations, I'm just going to use a putty scraper. Just very gently apply pressure to get some of this off. And I don't want to scratch it up real bad like that. So I might honestly just try to use something softer than the paint for this whole thing, because... Alright, so quick little update here. Been working away, trying to get all this old crap off of here using various items. Still working on this side. But over here, this side's not going too bad. I already got all the old clear coat off here. You can see this is where it stopped. Right there. I just gotta do the other side, and we gotta clean it up, mask it, and then put the new stuff on. Let's see how this works. Alright, all quick update. I cleaned this surface with just car wash and a sponge, and then rinsed it with a wet sponge, and then used a heat gun to dry it off, and then I masked up the entire area. Got some fish going here. Got this all taken care of. I know it's not the best masking job, but we'll be careful here. Now the fun part's gonna be looking to see if I can do this without being a total bonehead. Okay. Alright, sorry guys, I know it's not the best angle, but I don't have much to work with here, so... Okay. Alright everybody, it's the next morning. So let's see what we ended up with here. It's not horrible. Let's go ahead and take all this stuff off. Alright, you guys. It's a little later now. I'm here at the car wash. I'm gonna go through and we're gonna see how well this thing actually cleans up. So, that's what's on the agenda for now. Okay. Here we go. So, the thing I'm most angry about with this whole, paint job is my freaking tape ended up taking off clear coat where I wasn't even working. And I don't understand why that is the case. And it made me very angry. So I might try to fix it. I don't know, but we're getting all that red crap off of there now. That was just all over the car from when I was shaving the clear coat off. And hopefully this is also a good test to make sure the new coat stands up to, you know, like water and soap and debris and all that stuff and scrubbing. Because if it doesn't, then that's an issue. Okay, out of the car wash. Let's see, final product here. Wow. It's not too bad. Finally got rid of all of that red residue. Yeah, I really wish this didn't happen here though. This is paint residue here, or tape. See, it got it there too. But yeah, that's a wrap. Definitely better than it was. Thanks for watching and have a great day.